Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a private voice channel within Discord. So now there's a couple different ways that we're going to do this, or that we can do this. So up here next to the server name, I could click the drop down and then create channel, or I can come next to voice channels and click create channel that way. You do have to have admin access over your server to be able to create this channel, just so you know. So if you don't have that access, then you won't be able to create these channels. You'll have to ask the mod or the admin for that channel. So now I'm going to choose a channel type of voice, and then I'm going to have this be mods only or mod meetings, whatever. I want to have a channel that's private for only moderators to go ahead and hop in and chat. So I toggled on the private channel. I'm going to click next. Then I can go ahead and add any roles or individual members by their @ or their role. I haven't added any roles or any other people to my Discord channel, so I'm going to click skip here. And there we go. We have created a private voice channel. You can see here that it has the lock sign next to the speaker sign, I guess. And that's how you know that it is a private voice channel. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. Thank you so much.